we are so glad now to welcome all these beautiful people coming with us. So now we just taking now the train to Diamniadio. This is a new innovation in Senegal, you know, that this train is helping people to move around and make less the traffic to be jammed, you know. So now we are going right now to Diamniadio city. It's a new city of Senegal for the investor and also that for all now the plan of the government here. So now we are going there with all the people now, and they will have the first experience by train in Senegal. Means like there is one development here, and people, you know, they will enjoy more.
I'm so honored to be back again with Daylight Africa Week in Senegal and going to Gambia. Last year, it was a life-changing experience going to Gorée Island and just seeing what happened and transpired rather, with our ancestors, and to be able to connect with everyone who attended and pray together. I have experienced a liberation that was second to none. And now to come back and elaborate more on the historical experience from last year is golden. I'm just looking forward to the completion of this trip and really coming back home with even a more expanded experience from the last time. And I am forever grateful for the organizers of Daylight Africa and all the wonderful, wonderful work that they are doing.
We have gotten to another stage, another series of Daylight Africa 2023 in Senegal. We were on Gorée Island. Now we are on our way to Diamniadio, the smart city, by train. And from there we'll be going to St. Louis. This is to tell you that Africa is different from what you have in the mainstream media. The bastardized picture you're seeing is fake, and this is a true image of Africa, and that's what Daylight Africa is there for, to show you the reality, the truth, and let you understand that Africa is far beyond what you've been taught either in the textbook or from the media. Explore Africa and you will never regret it.
This Daylight Africa is so much experience there is to get. Daylight Africa, Glory of Hope, and guess what? Glory of Hope travels and tour. So let us all, my name again is Dr. Gloria Bent. I'm a registered dietitian, and we're all about Daylight Africa. As the name suggests, we are on the move for health, wealth, and reconnect.